As we wait in anticipation for the announcement of the Springbok squad ahead of the end of year tests, we take a look at a handful of players who might have put up their name to be considered and those who probably did not do enough in their teams to get a crack. First up, Evan Roos at the Stormers. He's played 2 games over in Europe, 2 games here in South Africa, and he has been one of the outstanding local URC players knocking on the door of that box squad. Then, even though his team has not been performing, and as a leader, he probably had a lot more weight on his shoulders. Vincent Chatuka is another guy who performed extremely well in European conditions in whichever jersey the Sharks picked him. Now, it's been tough going at the Lions. I mean, they only picked up their first win this past weekend at Ellis Park. So the performances of guys like Ewan Horn, Ruan Venter, I mean, it overseas because the team didn't do well. They didn't. I would think get the amount of exposure in those conditions because their team didn't do too well. Still, Horn is the available option as another left-footed number 15. Yes, Damian Willems has been the guy slotting in there while Billy Leroux also had a run in the rugby championship, but it's most likely time to move past Leroux and look at Horn. Apalele Fassi is unfortunately injured and he doesn't look like he's going to make the end of year tour. He's on a long recovery road. So there is scope for Horn to be let back into the box squad despite not being able to perform to his potential with his team struggling in their first couple of games. Furthermore, Johan Grobbelaar has put in some strong performances at the Bulls at hooker, but then made some space this past weekend for the returning Jan Hendrik Wessels. Whether that was a good idea or not, because he was on form, we can debate for long about that. We are waiting in anticipation to see who made it and who did not, as the Boks prepare to take on Japan and the European sides in November.